Congratulations, number 6 for you in Kranjska Gora. You are writing the history.
This hill is an awesome hill. It's a hill that I've had my first World Cup points on, one of my first podiums on. So it's a hill that I've had a lot of history doing really well, and it's always a pleasure to come back here and race on such a cool hill. And so happy to get the result I did.
Why is this hill so special? What's the secret?
This hill has a ton of personality. Like I said, it has steep parts, it has flat parts, it has rolls. It's the kind of hill that challenges you the whole way down. There's no area on it at all that you can let up. You have to be attacking the whole way. And I think it's a true GS hill. There's some hills in the World Cup where it has sections that aren't necessarily that interesting maybe, but then this one it's a hard fight the whole way down here, always having to look for speed.
You were at the top, Benny was the second. Benny Reich is back in the business. Two very familiar faces in Kranjska Gora at the top.
Yeah, for sure. You're never surprised when Benny can come down. I mean, he's one of the greats of our generation, and seeing him back on the podium is definitely cool.
At the Sochi, you are very good. You're still very good. So, what's the plan for GS for this rest of the season for Lenzerheide?
The goal is to try to win Lenzerheide, of course. It's going to be really difficult to try to get the giant slalom globe, especially because I basically have to win and Hirscher has to falter, which is not something you can really hang your hat on. So, we'll see how it goes, but hopefully I can just have a good race and see what that equals.
If we go back